A sparrow is a member of genus Passer, which belong to family of Passeridae. The house sparrow is the species of common sparrow. It lives all over the world, but originally lives in Europe and Asia. The species has about 50 subspecies. They are between 11 to 18 centimeter long in size. They can be weighed between 13 to 42 grams. They feed seeds, grains, millet, and sometimes insects. Compact bird with full chest and large rounded head, stout bill, and stunning eyes. Plumage is mostly different color shades, brown and gray. It has widespread resident, strongly associated with human habitations, live in urban and rural areas. Its flying range is up to 2000 meters. It breeds throughout the year, but the peak season is February and May. It usually lives in small trees and bushes near the houses. Their nest is built with dried vegetation, feathers, string, and papers. Interesting fact of this little cute bird that it has an ability to survive without water by ingesting berries. House sparrow hop rather than walk on the ground. They are social, feeding in crowded flocks and squabbling over crumbs, seeds on the ground. The common sparrow in Eastern Asia is not the house sparrow but its cousin, the tree sparrow. They are very sociable bird, often live in colonies. House sparrow are non-migratory, but urban flock traditionally move to the countryside in the late summer to feed ripening grains. Most pair will try and raise at least 2 to 3 broods in a year. The lifespan of a house sparrow is 3 years in the wild.